Hey guys, welcome to OMG. So today we'll be talking about user testing and other three websites where you have to test a website or an app and get paid. So this is one of the website which I really love. The name is usertesting.com, and get paid to test is where you have to go and sign up. You will be asked to give your mail ID and verify it. So this is one of the great website, and I really love the quality of this website. Talking about the process, you won't directly get a task to get paid once you sign up with this website. You have to go through a verification and test. The test is something like a speech test where you should be having a good microphone. I assume that if you are watching this video, you'll be already having a good internet connection and smartphone or a computer and a headset. Obviously, I think that most of the people nowadays have all these things. So you don't have any upfront cost or investment or nothing. You are just going to use this. Speak out well. You have to give your thoughts, what you're thinking about the questions that are asked in the speech test, and just speak it out, and the people will review your voice and how you are answering it. And if you are going to ask questions, that is going to be an added advantage. After the review process, you will be getting a login verification process. You can log in and just start earning. As far as the review of this website, you won't get that much task. It might be because of geographical location. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but I'm not able to get a lot of tasks from this website. After getting into the task, I'm just getting a notification that you are not qualified for this one. You might try upon the other one, something like that. So there are two ways in this, where you'll be attending a task from your mobile phone through the user testing app or from your system. So in this process, if you want a detailed process on how to get in through this speech test and all, please comment it below as speech test video required. I will make another video as part 2 of this one, and I make sure that I upload all the process. So here, just enter your email address and click on apply. You will be going through the speech test. You have to answer the questions that are shown above, and as you are scrolling through, never leave a gap. You have to keep on speaking. You have to, even if you are going to scroll and move your mouse, you have to tell what you're thinking. If you are going to ask some questions, you can ask it. So that's all about it. Try this one. This is really good and legit. So the second website we are going to look for is the Userlytics. Userlytics is similar to usertesting.com. Usertesting.com is like a bit costly for people who are going to ask for a review, like a website provider, like I'm sorry, a website designer or some product designer who is asking for a review of their product. Will have to pay a lot. So this one is an alternative. You will get less pay in this one, but this is very similar to that one. You will get paid, but this is legit, and you can try on this one. Just click on to test a sign up if you don't have an account. If you are already logged into this one, just go to test a login. For sign up, just enter your mail id and click on I confirm that and I agree to it, and just sign up. You will get paid through PayPal whenever you reach the threshold amount of $5, $10, or 15 or 20. Just $5, you will just get paid. But one important thing, as I have already said, the payout is not that really great. You have to spend around 20 to 30 minutes for some task, which will just give you some 10 cents or something like that. So the payout will be really low. You cannot make this as your major job for your whole household income. So before we move on to the third one, which is the last website in this video, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now moving on to the last and third one, userfeel.com. In this website, you will be getting a lot of tasks. Say not actually a lot, comparatively a bit good amount of tasks. As I have already told you, the payout will be a bit low in this one. You cannot expect a lot of money from these three websites. Totally, like wholesome, you cannot expect a lot of money. But this is a good for pocket money. Just something is better than nothing, as I have already told you guys. So you can try upon this one. This is also legit. You have to go through websites and you have to tell them whether it is good or not. They will be asking you certain questions like check out the map from the website, try to find it out. They will be asking you, you have to find out the map from the website and say whether it is good or not. What do you think about it? Positive, negative, everything you have to tell them. It is really simple to earn money from this one. Just become a tester, click on that one as you see on the screen, and you will be going through verification process and test as how we did in usertesting.com. If you want a detailed video of these things, please let me know in the comments below. I'll make another video, part 2 of these things. I thought it will be really a big video if I'm going to do all those process, because this one is already 6 minutes. I don't want you guys to get bored. I just made a short video on all the 3 websites which I really like, earning money quite easy. So yeah, that's all about the video, guys. So make sure you hit the like button if you like it, and comment it below if you have any doubts. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.